Hi KJ, what's up, man? How's it doing? It's been a while, been a minute. Yeah, I took a long break from streaming, and of course, you know what comes with that. I lost all my followers and stuff, so it's all good, man. It's all nice. Good to have you back, man, KJ. Please head over to Instagram. Let's have a chat, man. It's been a while. Head over to Telegram. Let's have a chat, please. Just search for Kingsley's friends. Let's just connect back, okay? Thank you, KJ. Thank you so much, KJ. Wow, it's really awesome to know that I've been away for quite a long time, and I'm back, and someone's still checking up on me. I mean, it's all love. Thank you very much, KJ. Honestly, I appreciate you. Just head over to Instagram, Telegram. Let's just connect so we can talk further, okay? Hello, 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 hello. Hi everyone. I'm still Kingsley over here. I'm just gonna kill my music for now. Okay, how's it going, everyone? I hope fine. A lot of alarms coming up right here. These alarms actually means that we're making a lot of money right now, right? Oh yes, my MT4 is hanging, but it's all good, guys. I'm gonna show you guys something very, very interesting here, so you can see how far we've gone today. I don't think I got that quite well. Let's see. Let's get it quite well. Yeah, no, still not getting it quite well. One moment. Oh, this is the news happening. Oh, beautiful. That's nice. I'm not gonna close my positions anyway. The number of pips made has actually dropped drastically, but it's okay. All right, just wanna show you guys the what we have over there. So right there is the TP. We were very, very close to our TP. Unfortunately, I wasn't acting so fast. Yeah, but it's all good. It's all good. Honestly, it's very, very good. I don't have any issues. If I want, I can as well take the loss. I mean, take the profit the way I want it. I mean, it's entirely up to me to play around with whatever I want. Okay, I'm just gonna close this just to be able to look out for other positions. Yeah. All right. Let's see how much I made over there. Oh, that's pretty nice. Pretty much dull for me. I don't know why I didn't close this before even starting to make my noise. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and remove all this and of course turn back our camera so that everyone can see who the hell is talking behind this screen. While we do that, please go ahead and make sure you are not already following me, but make sure you are just there subscribing to our free signals so that you can take advantage of it anytime, any day. Because it's actually something I'm not going to say I'm charging anyone. It's free of charge, so I think everyone should take advantage of that, that offer, or should I call it whatever. All right, I'm just gonna go to. First of all, I have a couple of things I look out for. Oh, sorry, the camera is missing. The camera baby is missing. Ole, ole! It caught me all wrong, guys. It caught me all wrong. All right, let's get in the mood right here. Okay, I believe I'm visible to everyone now. I actually excused myself to go freshen up a little bit before I come back to the screen. So I'm right here. Okay. So a couple of things to look out for, in my checklists. I'm just gonna, go through them before I start trading. First of all, is there any upcoming news? Oh, of course, no. In my pen, no more. The news I have is already done with. And the next thing is bias. Is what is my bias? If my bias is actually in the direction of trend, yes, my bias is in the direction of trend. Why? How do I say so? Let's have a look at daily time frame. Daily time frame still has not moved bearish today, so I don't know. So far so good. The candle I'm looking at daily is pretty much bullish, so I'm gonna assume I'm in the right direction. Yeah, because if you look at 4 hours, you're gonna see, we still have consistently, higher highs and lower highs. Is it higher highs and higher lows? Yeah, we are still recording higher highs and higher lows. So I'm still gonna pretty much assume that I'm in the buying market. Yeah. All right. So oh my God, was I right to have closed that position? Yes, I was right. So I don't have regret. I try as much as possible to do away with regrets, while trading. So I don't like regretting anything at all while trading, so that I have a free mind that's gonna give me some level of workability, flexibility while working, right? So if my English is wrong, apologies for that, but I'm gonna speak it the way I like it. It's my live stream, so I'm gonna do whatever I like in my live stream, as long as I don't abuse anyone. As long as I don't commit any federal offense, I'm all good. All right, guys, let's go ahead and look at other things. Come on, come on. Whenever I see candles move like this, I feel so, I feel, have I missed out something? You know what I mean? All right. So I'm in the right direction, okay? Let's go ahead and look at the next, excuse me, guys. Oh, look, this guy is no longer working. Beautiful, okay, still working. Nice. Okay. Support and resistance confirmation near psychological level. Of course, I have got one already, but getting this one is not really a criteria for me to go to sell right now, right? Getting price being at this psychological level is not a criteria for me to sell right now. So yes, price is actually at psychological level. Had it been I got this question here, I would have added more positions, you know what I mean? But it's all good. So we talk about something, my aim later, okay? Right now I'm looking at, marking off my checklist to make sure that I'm starting well, okay? Okay, is there clean traffic to the left hand side? Oh yes, I've got clean traffic to the left hand side. This is the clean traffic I have here. So yes, with respect to this, I passed this trade. The next checklist is, what is your mental target? Here is my mental target. 2035 is my mental target. Okay, and then the next checklist is wait. The other one, trade. The other one, update journal. This is the journal. So we are in the phase of waiting now, yeah? So we have closed out the position I got in. I entered here. I closed it at an average of 690, somewhere 669. That's approximately 70 pips. So it's all fine, it's all good, no call outs around, with respect to this. So now this is going to be my take on today's trade, okay? While we wait for New York Stock Exchange to open, I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm going to look out for. So zooming out a little bit so that we have a clear glance of whatever it is we are looking out for. So I have over here another psychological level, 2035. My major aim is to have price come over at 2035. If I can see price keys 2035 and I get my sweet succulent alarm, the next thing I'm gonna do is to zoom into 5 minutes, 15 minutes to see if I could catch a trade. The same thing happened here in the morning. I missed a trade that was going up. I think it's time to talk about it now. So I saw this happening in the morning. I wasn't sure of how to deal with all these distractions. And I have a target which is going to be this week here, top of this week. And I'm not sure that price was going to cross above here, right? There was no convention about those things. So what I did was I left this whatever happening here to play out. I was waiting for price around here. So when I saw price around 2025, I saw that the price market was pretty much still bullish. Pretty much strong in terms of bullish. I left the market alone. I saw price hit this psychological level. It wasn't stopping. Then I saw price hit the third psychological level, and and this psychological level happens to be on a very strong support resistance area. So what I did, I took advantage of this resistance area here, this couple of blocks here. I took advantage of that and I zoomed into 5 minutes, then saw this opportunity here. I saw, one moment, let me remove this. I saw this opportunity here. The moment this candle formed, and this, the moment I saw this, this downwards movement of this 5 minutes, couple of 5 minutes candle, and of course the impact of that downwards movement, which is these two, bullish candles. So I was waiting to see if I could get a what's it called, a bearish engulfing candle. So I got this. The moment I got this, I waited for this next candle to wake up. The moment it was up trying to gather some liquidity here, I got in somewhere here, and then I followed price all the way to this level or thereabouts, somewhere here or here. I can't remember. Actually. I think it was somewhere here, and then got out. I let the market be completely. So this is similar thing that I'm going to look out for today, this evening. So I'm not quite satisfied with price coming here and giving weaken out. I want to see, to get a confirmation. I want to see a some similar move like this. Yeah, I want to see price trying to move down and then going to retest this the high, and they are in the quest to retest the high is going to drop a bearish engulfing candle, then for us to take price, for us to ride this trend downwards. So that is what I'm actually looking out for, and you're going to hold on and look out for this patiently with me. You don't have to lose your patience, okay? Because trading is patient, okay? Trading is patience, I would say. So let's go there. Apologies if you're looking at my room. You're gonna see nothing good. It's just gonna be clothes everywhere. I'm quite very tidy guy. Okay. All right. So that is it. That's gonna be our target. We're waiting to see how price. I'm not convinced with whatever price is doing here. So I'm done with this trade. So this trade is off. It's out of the table. I'm not convinced with whatever price is doing here. So I'm just gonna wait patiently to see how price is going to react to NY Open, New York Open. Yeah. While I do this, let me quickly start up my my Tradingview streaming. So apologies if actually my screen is a lot more untidy these days, because it's untidy, but yet I make more money these days than ever. So you just have to bear with me. Okay, makes sense. Right. How do we play this video? Yeah, you have a very clean look at my video. Go. You can show video, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and kickstart the streaming over there so that those guys on Tradingview can actually be part of what is happening today. Because I have a feeling today is going to be amazing. Just have that feeling. My ghost tell me that, nobody else. And still, Tradingview, I think, is having some issues with streaming, or perhaps they blocked me. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I've been trying for a couple of days to stream on Tradingview, but it's not working out. So I don't know what's going on. Come on, guys. I'm a premium member, right? Right. I'm a premium member, right? Yeah. Yeah. So why the hell is my streaming taking the hell of time? Okay. And then let's not forget the most important points. I promised to analyze something today to show my team why we lost a trade today. We lost a trade. We were we had some positions on US30 and eventually a sell position. Eventually we lost the trade because of a couple of things. So I'm going to make mention of those things right here.
Just that I don't want to be distracted, from this gold. Let me hold on to gold until US30 opens up. US30 right now is not ready to move. So US30 is hitting a psychological level, and of course, while trading psychological level with US30, you have to be very careful. It's not as like fast as it is with gold. Psychological level in US30 is far from each other. So it's not as fast moving as gold. So let me start with so looking at 4 hours daily, you pretty much have seen daily candle. So we have some support there, price formed support there, and most likely has reversed, taking a turn. There's already a resistance above, and the price perhaps is heading to the resistance. And then zooming into 4 hours, I prefer to have my support somewhere very close, because I'm not here to do swing things, and have my resistance close by as well. You can see clearly that price have broken above the previous support resistance level, and is heading for the high, yesterday's high. No, not yesterday's high, the weekly high perhaps. Yeah, it's heading towards the weekly high. So we don't know. Oh my god, this is a very interesting move, honestly. Holy, I can't help but say holy, because it's unimaginable, guys. One time I wasn't paying attention and everything is happening at once. Holy, guys. Shit. Anyway, it's gonna give us an opportunity. It's fine. Let's not get disturbed about this trade. So let's have a look again. So we keep on adjusting our support and resistance until we get to 30 minutes. If we're going to trade with 15 minutes, of course we have to as well adjust it. So this is my support. I'm going to take the liberty of moving this a little bit low. No, I just want to leave it here, guys. Pardon me, please. Let's see, and then also leave it here, because this is the last support and resistance before everything. So if I were to take a trade here, this is what I'm going to think about if I cut this trade. Okay, so this is what I'm going to think about. First off, I'm going to have a look at how the price has been behaving since morning. Down, up, down again, couldn't close below here. Price couldn't close below this level. It kept on testing this level, but was not able to close there. And then we have a break of this high by this candle, and then sunset of retests, and then closure of this candle above this previous one, which is a signal to us that price was going to go up anyway. So which I didn't see early. I was focused on gold. So if I had seen this early, this candle close above, what I would have done is, one, allow this candle here to form a wick and get in at the top wick of the previous candle, the previous two candles. One in here, and then in again at this low, the bottom, the low of the body, not the wick. Get in again at the low of the body. Those are the two entries I'm going to make. If I have like excess money, perhaps I could get in again on the break of the high. If I don't have excess money, this two is enough. I'm going to ride with these two to see where price is going to take me. Yeah, and if I had gotten into the position, this is the results. This actually is going to be the result right here. Yeah, see, that's 74 pips. 74 pips. But there's something very interesting happening here, which is the fact that this candle does not have a top wick, and the current candle does not have a bottom wick. So this tells me that whatever is happening here is a dangerous game. Price can go everywhere it wants to go. It can go all the way to 36,300, but one thing is sure, that today price must touch this level today. So what I'm going to do, either I'm going to wait for price to come down to this level to form some sort to range a little bit, and then the breakout of this range, if it breaks above, I'm going to take buy. If it breaks below, I'm going to take sell. Or I'm going to wait price to come all the way up to 36300, and then it's going to range a little bit. So if it breaks high, I'm going to buy. If it breaks low, I'm going to sell. Okay, so this is the plan for today. This is my plan. It's pretty much very, very simple. So simple, guys. You don't need to disturb yourself, disturb your head for nothing. See what I said? Price is going to come down because there's no wick. There is no wick. So if I were get cowboy, I would have simply done something. Sell here with stop loss above the previous high in sight. That is 31, and by now would have been 40 pips, hoping to get around perhaps around 57 pips, but it's not worth it. Question: are you going to be able to replicate this trade next time? The answer for me is no, so I can't take it, unfortunately. Yeah, so that's how I judge myself. I am very, very strict with myself these days. I'm not sure why I'm not able to start my streaming on Tradingview. Do I need to log in and log out and log in again? I'm not sure. I'm quite not sure. Why? 1 hour seems pretty much very decent. Seems very decent. Yeah, looks very decent. Another way to look at everything I said about 30 minutes was from here up, down, again up, closure, closing, after testing this level, you are closing above this level, that is inside the range again. So it makes sense to get in at the first at the open. First get in at the open and get in again at the bottom of the body, not excluding the wick. If you want to do some sniper entry shit, you can also get in when price is at the body, at the wick. You can also get in a couple of positions with overall stop loss below this level, that is 31 361 135 area. So that would have been a perfect thing to do. So right now I don't care what actually is going to happen next. I don't know, and I don't care what actually is going to happen next. I'm just going to wait for something that I love seeing to happen. Once it happens, I'm going to dive right in and take something out of the market. So if I see maybe this week may actually come into this zone inside, come into this zone, especially here. I think I'm going to pay attention to this. It may come in here, at 36175 area. If it comes there, I'm going to zoom into 5 minutes and see what is doing there. If I see something that is controversial, I'm going to take advantage. So let me set up an alarm here, just in case if I'm talking and forget myself. All right, guys. This is a very nice uptrend. If you zoom out, you're going to see overall trend is down, but you still are in a big mess because this is down, this is up. So what is the trend? My friend, the trend is trendless. You just have to trade. It is trendless. You just have to trade, make some money and get the hell out. That's it. You just have to have a plan. The solution is to have a plan. If you have a plan, fuck all this trend, man. Sorry for the F word, guys. Apologies, honestly. From the bottom of my heart, I apologize for using the F word. But I'm gonna use it over and over again, just an FYI. Price broke out of this, hit our psychological level, came all the way back, hit our psychological level and still closed above. guys, what this is telling me is pretty much very simple. Price is still gonna move up. Price is still gonna push up. Still pushing up. We are gonna most likely see 36300 today. Most likely you're gonna see 36300 today. So let's. It's terrible, man. Is this happening again for real? I'm not sure really why I cannot stream. Did these guys block me from streaming? The last time I streamed was on the 4th. Couldn't stream since yesterday. And I'm not sure why this is happening. Alright, let's do away with what's it called? Tradingview, and get on with our lives. Okay. Nothing is happening now, but guys, you have to be ready if things happen, okay? You just have to be ready because things are definitely gonna happen, and they're gonna happen very fast. My target is gonna be 30-40 pips max. I'm just close out, so I don't wanna waste a lot of time today in the market, honestly. So 6 and 6:30, those are our passionate times. So gold is actually at a psychological level, playing some games that are difficult to understand. I say difficult to understand because this psychological level, is not even up to the previous low. The previous high, right? Had it been, it is up to this previous high. It's my case would have been very simple here. I'm just gonna look for sell and target 50 pips from this psychological level to this one, and that's it. I'm done. Yeah. But it's disturbing. Whatever he's doing right now is quite disturbing. This is 50 pips within 3 minutes. Gold is crazy, guy. Gold is batshit crazy. When I say that, guys, believe me, gold is batshit crazy. This pair, it's gonna give you a lot of money if you calm down. If you calm down, you're really gonna eat a lot from gold. Trust me. So I'm gonna switch this back to 30 minutes anyway. Let's see if I see anything major. I'm just gonna switch back, or if I get an alarm from there, I'm just gonna switch back. So 30 minutes going to 15 minutes and going to 5 minutes, and then I think I'm seeing something nice. So 5 minutes perhaps is gonna give us something very beautiful. So if I check out the resistance, if I mark out the if I try to analyze what's happening, you see this falls into my dinner requirements. It meets up with my dinner requirements, and those price should be forming some sort of resistance. It should be ranging with psychological level in sight, and this is actually ranging at the psychological level. So if I had bought here, it wouldn't have been a bad decision with 30 pips stop loss, 28 pips stop loss, and 50 pips TP. It wouldn't have been a bad decision. Yeah, and that's actually what I'm going to target now. Once this 5 minutes closes, I'm going to target, if it closes a strong bullish body anyway, let's be very specific. I have to define our specifics. If it closes a strong bullish body, then I'm going to wait for for price for the new candle to come and wick down. During the process of wicking down, I'm just going to get in here. Yes, hole, it's not giving me opportunity. Shut. This guy is not getting me some good things. Why is this happening? It's not doing anything I want, man. but it has actually retested the psychological level slash the high of the previous two candles already. So it's heading for a breakout. So breakouts, I'm gonna like be meticulous about this. Breakouts, I'm gonna trade the breakouts with very tight stop loss. 35 pips is a lot, but let's try and see how 35 to 35. 35 pips for 35 pip. That looks like 1:1, right? Let's see how it goes. Someone may ask, why am I not looking out for sales? I'm not looking out for sales because if I zoom out, what trend do you see? What do you see here? You are seeing a trend of, higher highs and higher lows. That's what you're seeing here, basically, right? So why would you be aiming for, buys, sales when you are seeing a trend of higher highs? Yeah. So it makes sense that we define what we're looking for ahead of time. I couldn't wait for this guy. It's wasting my time. I got in with 228 pips. I got in here with 28 pips stop loss. 28 is yeah, that's beautiful. If it comes down, it's fine. I mean, it's okay to lose, right? See, losing is part of the game. I don't have any issues with losing, honestly. If you see losing as a failure, I wonder if trading is cut out for you, honestly. So this is a very nice, fantastic setup. I couldn't get in here at this psychological level because price was pretty much fast one, and I was expecting this candle to close somewhere around here with a wick that extends up to this level, closing here with a wick that extends up to here. Then the new candle is going to form here and wick down. So during the wick down, I was supposed to enter here. I was still doing the analysis when actually price this candle closed and this guy wicked down. I mean, the wick down was not sufficient for me to risk it. Yeah, so I better risk it here whenever this guy breaks the high, and he did, and I got in. Let's see how blessed we are today. It's okay, again, it's okay to lose, so feel free to actually join this trade. It's not too late to open a position, okay? It's okay to lose. You just need to apply proper risk management. That's all you need. That's all you'll ever need. Proper risk management. That's all you are ever gonna need, See that? This is happening just the way we have anticipated. Price coming down to this level to either wick down and continue going down, or to wick down and continue going up. So let's see how this all works out. I want anyone who is looking at this stream to observe how price is behaving around psychological levels. Psychological level is something you cannot just ignore, So with psychological level, I just make some decisions, some vital decisions, some trades. So any trade you see me get into is driven by psychological level, honestly. So this trade that we got into today, there was no psychological level in sight, and that was the major reason why we lost. Just to conclude our statement initially, there was no psychological level in sight, and that was one of the major reasons why we lost. In the US30 selling, assuming there was psychological level actually. I sold in the morning, I got this profit. It was fine. Yeah, the sales that I lost was selling below. I should have waited for price to touch the psychological level again before doing anything. That is a prerequisite for me, which I failed to do, and I've taken my correction anyway. So pay attention to what price is doing. It's very, very important. Before, I used to get into a position and then leave, or it wasn't helping me, it was rather killing me, right? I need to see what price is doing. I need to learn, I need to understand how price is behaving. Yeah, that's the only way I can get better. I can only get better by looking at the price. Yeah, I mean, if I have to look at price, then I have to find a way to get rid of my emotions. Yeah, so the only way to look at price is when you don't have emotions towards the price movement. That's the only way you can look at price when your trade is down. And if you cannot deal with your emotions, I don't know, I don't want to be those guys that give fake quotes or something, but personally I don't see it as a way forward. You need to deal with your emotions while trading. That's all I have to say. I don't want to give you any specific rules, because I've listened to people make their rules and I live by their rules and it never favored me. Shit. Okay, what is price doing? If price breaks this low, I'm just gonna close 50%. I have my magic key ready. So I don't need your consent to do anything right here. Price is breaking the low, right? Break the low, my dear, and I'm gonna close 50% of my positions. Alright, 50% gone. That's how we do it. We don't waste time. We need to cut the losses short. That is why we are growing accounts, right? You need to cut it short. If you don't, you are screwed. Trust me. If it still goes up, it's all good. I'm going to add a position above. That's for sure. Excuse me. If this candle closes bullish, not just bullish, if it closes above this cycle level, I'm going to add one more position there just to go up. Yeah, I know I closed 50%. It's part of the requirement for me in my trading plan. Once I see lows get broken, I need to close to minimize the risk. Yeah. Just close above the psychological level. If it doesn't close above the psychological level, I'm not gonna add a position. Even if it goes up, it's fine. Close above the psychological level. That's the only criteria, my dear. Sharp and nice. So that's it. Here we go. for the sake of the position that I added here, I'm just going to move this my layout guide to this area so that it becomes clear to me where I have my major money, where my major risk or risks are. So looking at this, I mean, the way volume is coming in gradually, I mean, there's no how I'm just gonna go ahead and take sells. I mean, it's too risky. I mean, I have opportunities for more buys than sells. So the moment I have this entire zone filled, and then I'm good to like change my bias. But for now, my bias is buys. Honestly, seeing everything that transpired here, I'm going for those buys for now. And another thing you should have a look at is this strong bullish candle form printed. The next candle printed and broke the high slightly and closed below the previous high, but a bullish candle. The current bullish candle still did not break the low of the previous bullish candle, and it has broken the high of both the previous two bullish candles. So I mean, what else do you want to see before you just make up your mind for for buys? It's okay for this trade to like go to shift, but I'm just applying like simple principles that I've learned over the time that works like magic. Oh, this guy is refusing to actually give up. Honestly, he's refusing to give up. I want this to come all the way down, but it's not coming. Just hanging somewhere, creating something that I don't understand. Let's just be patient enough. Let's see what's the time of the news again. The next news. Oh, there's no longer news today. Oh, late. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow, 7th December, unemployment claims, and 8th December, NFP. NFP. All right. Good to go. Good to go. Good to go. So. This breakout, you see the retest of the psychological level. Of course, the retest of this zone, this strong, this support, the retest of this support, and the closure of a candle above. It's actually yielding because the next candle is pointing above, and it seems it's going to continue moving above. We don't know. But I don't want that to happen. Why? Because of this. I mean, I don't just feel comfortable taking any buys anyway in US30. It's not a good idea. It's really not like, it's a very terrible idea if you ask me. It's a super terrible idea, like premium terrible idea. 6 o'clock. Hello friends, it is 6 p.m. in Dubai. It is 6 p.m. in Dubai. How's it gonna be? What is it gonna be? What price are you gonna what buyers are you choosing so far? I'm gonna find out who was right and who was wrong in a couple of minutes, in 30 minutes maximum. 30 minutes maximum. So hourly candle closed above the psychological level, giving me more confirmation that price most likely is gonna go up again. It's not a must that price is gonna go up, guys. It's not a must. I mean, sometimes it messes up. Let's see how we open in 30 minutes. I'm finally awake. Oh, nice. Neyo is awake. Beautiful. All right. Let's see. This is also 4 hours for me, right? So these 4 hours, it should do the due diligence, which is, going up at least to, retest this week here. You should go and retest this week one and subsequently head for this. So I don't know, perhaps before it does it, it may go hit our stop loss, which is absolutely fine. But I need to see that these 4 hours goes to retest this week of the previous 4 hours and head to retest the week of the previous 4 hours, because that should be, I mean, the normal thing that should happen in the market, right? Let's see whether this is going to happen or not. And this MF US30 is already filling up the week. The 4 hours time frame is already going to fill up the week from the previous 4 hours, which is a good thing. But on the contrary to my expectations, my expectation was that it should come down to retest this area, at least to retest this area, up to this area. It should come down to retest this area, then we can join it to move forward. Because the moment it comes down to retest this area, it means it has gathered enough liquidity to solve some bullshit across the way. You know what I mean? Sorry for the viewers anyway. So let's see how this works out. Let us see. Since yesterday, have you noticed something? Price is never ever going below 36100. If it manages to close, jumps back up. If it manages to close below, jumps back up. I don't know what's really going on. I don't know what price is thinking these days. Let me. I think it's time to look away from gold and shift our focus to US30. Yeah, because whatever is the outcome of this gold trade, we're gonna see that later. Okay. Whatever is going to be the outcome of this gold trade, we're going to see the impact later. Okay, 4 hours in gold is going to retest. They are 4 hours high. So my advice to you guys, let me mark out this 4 hours so I can advise properly. Yes, beautiful. So let me zoom into 15 minutes or perhaps 30 minutes. So my advice to you is, the moment price breaks above, kisses this, this line, that is the high of the previous 4 hours. You can see high of the previous 4 hours. It means it has concluded one part of its assignment, which is retesting the high of the previous 4 hours. So I'm going to advise you to move your stop loss to break even. Yeah, because if it goes down from there, it's going to go down with complete speed, and it's going to swap your stop loss wherever it is. So my advice is, the moment price touches that 2031, move your stop loss to break even. Okay, that's just an advice from Kingsley. Feel free to do whatever you like. You're in charge of your own boss. You are your own boss, so do whatever the hell you want. 605, that is 1805. How are you doing, gold? See, price is still playing around this psychological level. I'm interested to see how this play is gonna end today. Honestly, I'm interested. It's very, very interesting game to watch, Pretty much interested to see what's gonna happen next. What's it gonna be, gold? say something. Oh, what's it gonna be? Nothing. All right, all right. I'm gonna shift my focus a little bit from gold now, guys. I mean, this is not distraction enough, I would say. Let me do this. Let me do one thing, please. Let me do one thing. Okay. This most likely is not the best position. I agree. I agree. It's not the best position, like not the best trade idea. But there's a reason I'm in this position. Trust me, guys. If it goes to shit, I'm fine with it. But there's a reason I'm here. Some people are already telling me somewhere this, oh, can't you see that this is forming consecutive week? It's fine. Consecutive week is okay. If the trade goes to shit, it's fine. Feel free to exit the trade anyway at any point in time. Okay. Feel absolutely free to exit the trade if you don't feel comfortable. But bear one thing in mind, that this kind of wick, once it's formed, the moment price begins to move, it's gonna go to shit, like it's gonna go eat bananas, like it's gonna like push up above your expectation. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So just bear in mind that this kind of risk, it always pays off, like pays off massively. Okay, US30 is still pumping without going to retest our area. Simply means one thing, that at NYSE open, price may not be able to break here. If it does, then you're going to see price around here in 1 minute. Yeah, so either it's not able to break here, yeah, and it goes back down, slashes back down, okay, or it breaks here and they're going to see price here at 36400. Okay, either you go with 36400 or you go with 36000. So which one is it going to be, guys? Which is it going to be? I need to restart my MT4. It's been hanging, unnecessarily. Okay, mamacita. Whatever that means, I don't know. It just came to my mind and I have to spell it out the way it came. So apologies if it means something bad. Or it doesn't mean something bad, I know. It's some sort of appraiser. Man, when I see this happening in US30, then I know that there is volume. I mean, whenever US30 has volume, it doesn't listen to shit. It doesn't listen to anything. It just keeps going without thinking about the formation, the candlestick formations, the styles, the pattern is printing, on the platform. How the hell does this make any sense? This does not make any sense. This is not part of anybody's strategy.
Not. This is not part of anybody's strategy. And when next they're going to see this happen, it's going to behave differently, absolutely differently. That's bananas, man. That's crazy. It's crazy shit right there. The most important thing is that it has actually hit this level. So whatever it's going to do next, we don't know yet. So let's observe. Let's keep observing. Permit me, guys. Again, I think I've said this a lot of times. Permit me to shift my focus a little bit away from gold. Gold, whatever is the outcome of this trade, is already sailed. Make sure you have a stop loss, or if you're not comfortable, close it out completely. Okay? If you are not comfortable with gold trade, close it the hell out now. Now is the time to close it out. I'm okay with my stop loss. So if you're not okay with the trade and you're not okay with the stop loss, close it out now, guys. This is the time to close it out. Okay? Please do yourself a favor, a huge favor, and close it the hell out. Let's shift our focus to US30 and expand more. Let's again look at the entire analysis to find out where we have to make adjustments in preparation for NYSE Open. I think we are pretty much okay. Everything here is pretty much decent as it should. So let's have the next cycle level in view, just in case price decides to go to absolute bananas. So with this kind of formation, two things come to my mind. Two things I've always observed. So this guy, at the end of the day, is going to close a strong bullish candle. This candle, at the end of the day, it's going to close a strong bullish candle, and the next candle is just going to come down and break it and keep going down. Or it's going to close this way, even lower than this. The next candle comes, break it, or even retest this level again, pushes up, because it's going to come with a lot of speed, pushes up and melts completely. So what I don't know is which one is going to be. Again, this is price. Whatever you've seen before is just history. It's just history. Just have to work with the present. Just follow price wherever it goes. Don't let price follow you, because if you anticipate price to follow you, fortunately, you know the answer to that. It's already that no one can solve. Okay, if you're in this position, I'm gonna advise you to close it out. Okay, there's no need to be there in this position because it's not making any sense anymore. The trade is not making any sense anymore. All our expectations, it has defied all our expectations. So leaving it open is going to be like knowing that you're going to lose something and you're still there. Yeah, if you know consciously or subconsciously, no, consciously, that you're going to lose something out, I don't think you're going to ever want to be there if you know it's going to turn out bad, right? So consciously, I know I've seen the setup that it may turn out bad, because most likely this can only keep going down, right? Maybe it may come down to hit our target our stop loss and keep going up. It happens a lot of times to me, and sometimes when this happens, I feel like crying.
Okay, gentlemen, ladies, are you seeing this with me? Are you seeing US30? The best thing to do right now, stay the hell away out of all these markets that are looking for liquidity grab. Okay, so see what I was anticipating. US30 has come to that area where I need to come. First criteria met. So the next thing I'm looking out for now is to see how this candle is going to close. I just sure hope it's not going to just break above here and just keep going up like a fool that it is. What do you think, guys? I just hope it doesn't do that shit, you know? Because whenever I see this, I just imagine, guys, that I had set some sort of I had set a buy stop, buy limit order around here. Yeah, imagine I've set a buy limit order around here. We stop loss at 25 pips. This is it. I can as well close it comfortably now. You know what I mean? I can as well close the position right now because I'm done. So it's good to understand how the market works and what to expect from markets. I wanted price to come here and this was not enough, and I knew it was not enough because for price to break above this level, it needs liquidity. Don't be surprised, guys, that this liquidity is not even enough. It may still come down all the way to this zone, before pushing up. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, imagine I have put some sort of buy stop, buy limit order around this zone. This is it. I'm done. I'm out. Like completely out. Done. Bye bye. Done for the day. And I'm gonna load it up. This kind of order, you need to load it up because this is something you will sure know that it's gonna happen, right? So why sleep on it? Load it up. Like make sure that each trade gives you like 5% additional to your account. You know what I mean? You know how to load this kind of trades. So that's it. Guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, okay? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important. It's so vital in helping us to, move forward with the ministry. Okay, so this is another angle to this trade, guys. This is another very important angle to this trade. It's all done with the theatrics, yeah? I feel this is done with the theatrics. It's done with the theatrics. I just wanted to see if I were to sell, I would have loved to see, price move up, week out, week from here. This candle should have wicked from here. If it has wicked from here, then I know that this was just going to come to this zone, maybe somewhere around here, right? Comes to somewhere around the low of these previous two candles. The break of this low is just going to be the sell I'm looking for. That's like perfect sell I'm looking for. Yeah, so this guy is at the level that is very, very important level right now. It is at a very important level right now. This level is sure very important. So if it can escape, if price rejects this area, then a perfect sell will be from here downwards. But what do I know? You have to wait for confirmation. I don't like going in like doing anything impulsively. I mean, I've learned difficult lessons from impulsively trading. I just have to wait for confirmations. All right, so market sure looks like it's gonna break above, and if it does, I don't think it's gonna come back down. If it breaks above here, I don't think it's gonna come back down. But if it doesn't, then this low would be a very fantastic place to get on a sell. But then, guys, this is not the way I trade anymore. It's been long I did this kind of I took this kind of position. It's been a minute. If you sell below here, you just have to take advantage of the week. But then it's been a minute. I don't do this trade anymore. I just have to wait for perfect stuff, perfect setup. 30 minutes is still bubbling. So now from what I see, based on experience, this 30 minutes candle has wicked out. I mean, it has, it has now wicked. It has formed some sort of wick, I would say. So this serves as some sort of liquidity gathering. So it has enough power now to break above this zone and keep pushing. Yeah, but then we cannot take any position until I have NYSE open. If NYSE does not open, I'm not likely gonna take any position on the US30 anymore. I'm not gonna take any position in US30. It's too risky. It's too risky for my liking. So we've got about 6 minutes for NYSE open. My question to you now is, what is it gonna be? Any idea, guys, what it's gonna be? No freaking way. So we wait. You don't just wake up in the morning and you execute some positions. It's not done, guys. If you do it, you're gonna be the greatest loser of all time. Aye. So you need to freaking chill the hell out, chill, man. This goes up. So when this NYSE opens, allow it to move. Allow it to move. Let it give you chance. Just let it give you chance. If it doesn't give you chance, don't get too excited. Don't get excited at all, guys. If it doesn't give you chance, don't get excited at all, because it's not gonna worth it. So let's use this. Let's use 5 minutes to wait for NYSE open. I'm gonna step out for 2-3 minutes. I'll be back shortly.
Yo ladies, I'm back. Oh yo guys, are you seeing this stuff, man? Beautiful. Beautiful. I love what I see. Honestly, I love what I see. So tushy. If you lose and you get sad, pack up, stop trading, guys. If you lose and you get sad about it, better pack up, and get the hell out of the charts. Hey man, if you wanna go, keep moving. You don't stop moving. You don't know. I know. Why the hell is it moving so much? Why is it moving so much? I'm waiting. Alright guys, we have a couple of seconds for NYSE. A lot of things are gonna happen now. Ignore it. Allow it to give you a chance, okay? Ignore everything that's gonna happen now. Just allow this guy to give you a chance to trade. If you follow this shit happening now, you're gonna lose your money. Allow it to create all the drama it wants to create for in the hell, and then take your position. That's all you need to do. Man, just come up here, come to this psychological level. Let's do some mashup to find out who's gonna take the biggest, who's gonna be the fastest finger. See, yet nothing is happening. No, this guy is doing a lot of things, yet nothing, absolutely nothing is happening yet. Just have to, yeah, I love what I see, by the way. I love what I see, but it's not a criteria for me to waste my money. It has to give me opportunity. If it doesn't give me opportunity, I'm not going to trade. See what I told you guys? It has to gather liquidity before it is able to break this level. Excuse me. It needs to gather some liquidity before it's going to break this level. And if it dares to break this level, it's going to touch this level. I think I said it. If you doubt me, rewind the video and see for yourself. Yeah. But what I'm looking at for now is opportunity. I don't jump into markets because I'm seeing some price movement, because it's melting up or melting down. I don't jump into markets, man. Gone are those days. See, if I had jumped into markets when this price came to this level, then by now we would have been making 90 pips. But it's not worth it. It's not worth it. What is happening here? Good. Are you trying to give us a nice setup? Are you trying to give us something very nice over here? It's very small, guy. Give me something substantial to trade. These days I'm greedy for pips. I'm so greedy for pips. Let's look at 10 minutes. All right, still the same basically. We're about 18 minutes. 80 minutes is basically the same, and 20 minutes is not making any sense. So 3 minutes, let's go to 10 minutes and see. So now you see that price has broken above here. Now is the time to start looking out for trade. Okay, it has broken above this hold of noise. Let's go back to that level, 36246. It has broken above there. Yeah, question is it going to remain there, or is it going to just move back or something? So this is a question we need to answer. Okay, and to answer this question you just have to wait more. It can never be easier, guys. Just know that it can never be easier trading. It takes time. Oh, I like what I've seen 1 minute already. 1 minute is giving us some ball, some nice ball. But then this guy does not have any upper wick, so there's no need for me to dabble onto it. If I do, I'm gonna lose because it's not part of my trading system. So you just have to wait some more, guys. See, the volume came in and did some magic. Even in 1 minute, guys, take note. Take note of how even in 1 minute we're not able to get a good setup in 1 minute. I mean, this is 18:30. That is 6:30. So imagine you can't keep trading with guesswork, guys. I mean, it doesn't make sense. You just have to have a strategy. It doesn't give us any opportunity yet. It didn't give us nothing. So if you are trading with guesswork, then you would have gotten in on a buy here and then to close with 90 100 pips, which is not worth it. You need to do something you are going to be able to replicate in the future. Yeah, so we are waiting. Another thing we could have replicated is getting in maybe somewhere here for price to come down all the way here. We make 50 pips and that's it. Yeah, it's easy to do. But with 1 minute, I barely look at 1 minute, so we better have a look at our normal 5 minutes or even 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the best now, right now. I see. Oh, gold is moving up. Right now, say bye bye to gold. Let's focus on what has the volume now. The hottest chick in market now is US30. Trust me, that's the hottest chick right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's getting hotter. Let me focus here so that I don't make mistakes. All right, guys, I think let's have another look at 1 minute. No, I don't like what I see. If this guy let it go to shit, I don't care right now. I'm at that level where I don't care anymore. I don't care. I only do what is right. If it's not right, I'm never gonna do it. Never, 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 never. Should we look out for something in gold? Oh, gold is killing me, man. All right, guys, so let's have a look again at our favorites. I'm just gonna close this gold for now. Let's look out for a position to take on US30. Hang on there with me, guys. We're gonna get something, don't worry. Everywhere is 10 stop. I see. Everywhere is 10 stop. Everywhere is tensed up.
Okay, let's see. Nothing in 5 minutes. What? Okay, let's see how this is gonna play out. Shit, it should have been a buy, guys. Just go ahead and buy. Let's see. Buy up, please. Buy US30, guys. It's time to buy US30, and please make sure you have proper risk management in place, because if you lose your money, don't mention my name at all. You have the mouse, everything is with you, so the mouse is with you. You're clicking by yourself. I'm not clicking that for you. Okay, just take note of that, guys. So let me explain to you why I'm buying right now in this position. Okay, I'm buying because for this current 3 minutes, 5 minutes, sorry, we have not seen any bullish move at all for this 5 minutes. Yeah, so it is heavily possible that the next price 5 minutes that's going to form is going to move up to at least give this a week, to give this guy a week. Okay, so in an attempt to give it a week, we're going to close 50% of our position there. Okay, that is the concept. I don't know if this makes any sense. We're going to close 50% of our position there and then move our stop loss to break even. Do not sleep on this, guys. If you're taking this position, do not dare to sleep on it. This is US30 and this is volume time. You want to be fast and get the hell out of it. Yeah, all right, we're waiting for price to move up to that level. Yeah, and we only got in here because we are looking for something to break something. Yeah, so this guy basically just went up for nothing, and the next candle corrected the entire move, right? And then the other candle now formed, created new low, because this is a new low. Considering these two previous 3 candles, this is the lowest one, right? Created new low and again closed bullish. So creating new low and again closing bullish is a sign that bullish, that the buyers are present in the market. So let's hold on and see how it turns out. The stop loss is going to be 32 pips. Let me mark it out. Entry. Once price gets to this point, you want to move your stop loss to break even. Yeah, and this is sorry. All right, this is, what am I doing, man? Break even, and this is the final TP. Okay, 73 pips target. That's what we're going to target today. So I'm just going to, for those who are going to see this later, so that they can understand what actually is happening, even without having to listen to everything we are saying. So close 50% and move SL to entry. Okay, so this current candle has given wick to this previous candle, so let's see how it's going to react, whether we're going to close out or not. Let's see how it's going to react around there. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like it. 32 pips may be gone. 32 pips may be gone because I don't like what I see. Difficult times. Ah. Okay. Still moving low, low, low. Why are you moving low, my dear? This is, again, let's have another look at this, okay, so that you guys will not lose hope. Okay, this is 4 hours candle, right? And this 4 hours candle closed above, I mean, at a place where other 4 hours candles couldn't close. Okay, let me switch to this so that this becomes pretty much very clear. Okay, this candle couldn't close above there, right? It's attempted to get to that level, but I mean, couldn't touch it and even close below, right? This other candle attempted to cross that area but closed bearish. The next candle moved all the way down and closed bearish. Then this candle opened, wicked down a little bit, and then continued moving up. Can you see that, guys? It kept on moving up, and then it broke above this entire area, broke even above this area, right? And then closed bullish. The next candle came in and wicked up, like went all the way up and came down now. You know, I mean, it makes sense. It doesn't make any sense that it's gonna sell. It only makes sense to buy, you know, because it needs this candle, it needs to close with a very big bullish, you know, body. So that is one of the things that I'm taking this trade for. Okay, taking this trade because of that reason, a lot of reasons, which includes what I've mentioned just now. So have a very good look at this beautiful candle. I call it beautiful, you know why? Because it's beautiful, you know. It went all the way up and then melted completely and closed, you know, a little bit, tiny bit above the open. It's crazy. Screw this candle. Something is wrong with it, you know what I mean? It's completely crew. But I'm not changing my bias. My bias is bias, okay? It's not going to change because this is a bullish market anyway. This is a bullish market where we are recording higher highs and higher lows. So it's a bullish market. So there's no need to change bias for nothing. So the moment this guy attempts to break, you know, come close to this line, we need to move our stop loss to break even. It's very, very important, and close 50%, because this is the only way you can make money in forex markets. You can make money in forex market by trying to challenge the markets. So this is the only way, guys. It's the only way. I think gold is doing something very beautiful right here. Oh, nice. Moving all the way down. So I see that gold is moving down, and this guy tends to react to gold when gold is doing something crazy, right? So the moment it breaks below this low, this previous 5 minutes, I'm going to close out my positions. It's good to pay attention to all these crazy things these candles do, these pairs do. This guy tends to follow gold sometimes, and today looks like a day he does the same theatrics. Oh no, I was hoping to get some good money today, guys. Unfortunately, this is my last trade today. Almost all the money I made since morning, I lost it already. Yeah. The low is getting broken. The moment it snaps below, I'm just gonna close out. So that's my magic key. Magic key, are you ready for this? Just get ready, bro. The moment it snaps below that line, I'm just gonna close one time. I'm not really sure what is moving gold. Let's have a look at what news did we have. CAD is still yet to be 7. So what the hell is moving gold? I mean, why is it turning upside down? I mean, messing the entire area.
I see this guy, this current 5 minutes respected the previous 5 minutes low. So let's see how it's gonna close. I just want this to close somewhere above the previous 5 minutes. If you can, it's gonna, the next 5 minutes is gonna be a trailblazer. It's just gonna form something crazy today. So what is it gonna be? It closed as expected, so we expect price to push up now. Again, if it comes and breaks below the previous 5 minutes low, we're gonna close the position. So right now it's still meeting up with, it's still playing the role properly. Feels super cold, man. Very, very cold. But if I don't put on this freaking AC, my system is gonna hang. I don't understand, man. Push the hell up. I don't know. What are you doing, bro? Push up, man. Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up, push, 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 push up, push up, push up, push. Is it pushing now, guys? I'm not looking at the screen. Is it pushing? I don't think it's pushing anywhere. If it breaks below that, I'm gonna close my position. Honestly, in all honesty, guys. Magic keys, are you there? That's my magic keys. I don't need to stress myself. Just press close and it's closed. Don't need to stress myself at all. Magic keys, are you there? Ready to go? Okay, let's get ready. Snap below is closure for me. I'm done. Snaps below, then I'm closing directly. Close full. I'm done. I'm out, guys, completely. I'm out. So whatever is happening, we didn't catch nothing today. We cut nothing today. Put that in your record. We cut nothing today. It's official. Price was behaving in a way that we don't like, so we couldn't catch anything. We could have caught something from here, but then it's not my ideal setup, so I couldn't have done it. I need my ideal setup to work with. Alright, everyone, I'm gonna head off now because I've lost basically everything I made today, so I need to go and take cold chilled beer. Okay, just to calm down and get ready for tomorrow morning, because tomorrow I'm gonna kill the market for killing me today. I mean, sorry guys, I don't revenge. I'm just gonna come in like a gentleman that I am, and we're just gonna take my trades. But taking my trades behind my mind, this market, I'm killing it. That's all I have to say. All right,